Hello viewers, welcome back again to another episode of Dr. Online Mathematics. Today we have a surprise for you. Today is the first day of the month of November. Consider this as a surprise. We have a question here. The question says the first, second, and third times of a geometric progression are x minus 4, x plus 2, and 3x plus 1, respectively. We are to find the value or values of x as the case may be. Now, just like we know a geometric progression, unlike the arithmetic progression, it does not have a common difference. Rather, it has a common ratio. So we're going to use the ratio in order to find this value. Now, and according to geometric progression, that the common ratio is equal to the second term over the first term is equivalent to the third term all over the second term. Don't worry, bear with me. You see me using 2 and 2 here while I'm using weight and water. So they are all the same thing. So when we're talking about this relation, it means R, which is the common ratio, is equal to, the first term here is x minus 4, but we're not after the first term first. We're after the second term. So we have x plus 2 all over x minus 4 is equivalent to the third term, which is 3x plus 1 all over x plus 2, which is the second term. If we have this, the only way we can solve this is to just cross multiply, since everything here represents a common ratio. So therefore, this implies that x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to this multiplied by this. So x minus 4 multiplied by 3x plus 1. So we have to expand this and expand this. And expanding them means this is the same thing as x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, according to expansion. And equal to, again, this time this is 3x squared plus x minus 12x then minus 4. Now, if we put everything together, this is what we are expected to get. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is now equal to what is on the right hand side, which is 3x squared plus x minus 12x is the same thing as minus 11x minus 4. Now, what we need to do is to collect like terms. This and this are like terms. So this becomes x squared minus 3x squared plus 4x. If this one cross the bridge as the way we used to call it, it becomes plus 11x and plus 4 equal to 0. So let's simplify this. Now, x squared minus 3x squared is something as minus 2x squared. 4x plus 11x is something as 15x. And plus 8 equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation. And let's see the values of x, which is the root of the equation. But before then, let's multiply all through by minus 1. Multiplying all through by minus 1 becomes 2x squared minus 15x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we need to find the factors of the product of the last term and the first term and the last term here, such that the factors, when you add them, it will give you minus 15x. These factors are minus 1 and minus 16 and plus 1. So this is the same thing as 2x squared plus x minus 16x minus 8 is equal to 0. So how do we solve this? Let us factorize everything now. The common factor between this and this are x, or it's x rather. So x is now the same thing as 2x plus 1. And the common factor here between minus 16x and minus 8 is minus 8. Minus 8, and this becomes 2x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Hence, therefore, x minus 8 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, either x minus 8 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And if this is the case, x is the same thing as 8 or 2x is equal to minus 1. Dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to minus half. Hence the values of x which can be true for this GP is either 8 or minus half. Hence the solution. Very beautiful and simple. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and more exciting videos on mathematics. Have a nice day. I wish you a very happy new month.